Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm here on the daily time frame, and we can see that the Link chart is currently holding Fibonacci support between $13.28 and $19.40 still. Yeah, I explained yesterday very long that on the Binance chart we have a lower low, so we don't need to get into that today into too much detail. In the end, it doesn't make a great difference because we remain caught in the range for now. What really needs to happen, and that's really an objective that the bulls need to deliver on. It's a break above this yellow trend line. In fact, on the smaller time frame, we're even watching and tracking here another trend line, which would be this one. Yeah. So I'm not showing that on the larger time frame, but on the shorter time frame, I am. So we need essentially, for the market to find a reversal here, start the next leg to the upside, which I would then call a third wave. Yeah. And in this third wave to the upside, the market should then start to move towards $47. But we need that start. That can deliver, the third wave can deliver the momentum we need to break above this critical trend line, which, as I said, is located around $26, $27. Then we also have a key level here, top of the December 24 high, at around $31. And $31.50 is the next key level that we need to break above. Okay, so that's the larger context. In the short term, of course, it would be good, it would be productive if the bulls can hold the last swing low here. Seems like the price on Coinbase found support around the golden ratio level, a very, very important Fibonacci support level, pretty much the most important one, you could say, at least a very relevant one. And it's also where that previous swing low formed here around the 5th or it's a bit earlier. It was the 2nd of August. Yeah. So if we look at the short-term chart then for Link, this is what a lot of you guys are interested in. We still haven't got any confirmed low. I explained it yesterday. We have a support area. Yeah. I mean, this is the swing low here on Coinbase. Yeah, it formed at around $15. As I said, around the golden ratio level. The problem is on Binance, it's way lower. So what do I use? I explained all that mess in the last few days. You can't really trust the microstructures at the moment because of that, and it might need, we might need a couple of weeks for this structure to give us something more or less reliable. Something where we really can develop a bias. Because at the moment, I'm simply giving you support levels and really try my best to give you to give you a support zone, really, and structure, an idea of the structure that's currently forming and that might be developing here right now. So yeah, we have to remain a bit flexible there at the moment. Okay, with regards to the microstructures, it's also important to understand that it's not very reliable. So it might easily change. So if we then take a look at the FIB support zone, $16.01 to $18.03. We have tested this zone over the last few days a few times. And I think it's just important to recognize that the move to the downside could be technically complete. Okay, I mean, I can view this move to the downside as an ABC pullback, which in the C wave has formed 5 waves. I mean, it's technically visually complete. But that doesn't guarantee an upside reversal. I mean, it can easily extend this wave too if it has to, unless, we might have formed the low today, but really that upside, there isn't really any upside momentum, right? There's a small reaction, but that's it. No high has been broken, no critical resistance. The very first step, at least we need a break now above $19.40. Market is very, very slow at the moment, but I still want to give you the key levels here to watch. And then above, we've got $20.25. So, guys, there will be better times. I know it's been very draining. First, the shock on Friday, and then just only sideways consolidation. Seems like crypto is the most boring market right now. I mean, the metals are going, stocks are still delivering. But yeah, it seems like crypto, I don't know. It's just like, seems like it's struggling for now. But obviously, we keep watching the relevant structures. And I have currently no evidence, that the next leg to the upside has started. But take a look at these levels, these are the levels. But really, what is They are just here on the micro level, yeah? The ones that I just mentioned. What really is important is that the bulls can take the price above this yellow line around $22 to $23. And then obviously we can start to focus on that next line that I showed you on the larger time frame around 27 to 28. Yeah, that's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our membership options. And also feel free to follow us on X for additional charts. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.